Unveiling the legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India's Iron Man. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a name that echoes determination and strength in Indian history. His story, a tale of unwavering courage and patriotism. As a key leader of the Indian National Congress, Patel navigated the turbulent waters of India's freedom struggle. His vision unyielding, his spirit indomitable. Known for his practical approach and strategic acumen, Patel orchestrated the political integration of India. He unified over 500 princely states into a single nation. His resolute leadership during the turbulent times earned him the title, the Iron Man of India. A symbol of unity, his legacy stands tall. Patel's death in 1950 left an indelible void. However, his ideals continue to inspire and guide modern India in its journey. This video pays homage to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a true visionary whose iron will fortify India's foundations in its infancy.